or you are hooked on one of the social media handles, social media platforms, please go ahead and share with another person. Invite another person. Share the video. Share the link. Copy the link and share it in all your influences, in all your WhatsApp groups, on all the platforms where you are found. Let them also benefit from this. Don't be selfish. God did not like selfish people. God did not love selfish people. Share with other people. Let them also enjoy what we enjoy. Let them receive what you receive. Let them also benefit. Glory be to God. It all starts from there. Because if you at all you will ever give out big things, how will you ever do that if you cannot even give away what you are sharing now? If you can't share with another person to hear what you're about to hear, please also let another person enjoy. May the Almighty God bless you all. I want to say that we love you all. Thank you for hooking in. Glory be to God. I want us to go into the word from the book of Isaiah. From the book of Isaiah again, once again. And it's going to be Isaiah 41. Tell other people about it. You can even post it on your Facebook page or your Facebook account. To God be the glory. All right, I'm reading from Isaiah chapter 41, and I want to talk about what I have called the difference between God and the other people, okay, that you have made your source. The difference between God and the other people you have made your source. In other words, I want to talk about what makes him the Almighty. What makes him the Almighty? It is because he's different. He's different from human beings. He's different from our earthly leaders. It's different from your husband. It's different from your wife. Different from your providers. It's different from the people you are put in your trust. God is different from other people that has ever promised to you and disappointed you. This is what makes him the Almighty. Glory be to God. This is what he says, and you better trust his word if you're gonna survive. Yes, you have tried to you've tried to trust people's words, and you've been disappointed. Now you're heartbroken. You don't believe in any promise anymore, and you have no faith in you anymore. You have no faith. You have no hope. You're so frustrated. You are even scared. You think that even God maybe it's like other people. Maybe it's also not faithful. It is other people that disappointed you. God will never disappoint you. First of all, he's able and more than able. I said that our God is able and more than able. He has it all. He has all the power. He's the Almighty. He's not like other people who disappointed you. Don't liken him with other people. Don't compare him with others. We are talking about the Almighty. This is what he says in Isaiah 41 verse 17, that when the poor and the needy, okay, seeks water. When the poor and the needy seek water, and there is none, and their tongue fails for thirsty. I, the Lord, will hear them. I, the Lord, will hear them. I, the God of Israel, will not forsake them. What am I going to do? Why is he talking like that? Where is his strength? What can he do? Listen to what God can do. He says, I will open rivers in high places and fountains in the midst of the valleys, and will make the wilderness a pool of water, and the dry land springs of water. I will plant in the wilderness the cedar and the cedar tree and the myrrh and the oil tree. I will set in the desert the fir tree and the pine and the box tree together. Glory be to God. I said earlier, this is what makes him God. This is what makes him the Almighty. This is what makes him different from the people that broke your heart. This is what he makes different from the people that promised you things and they have never delivered them. This is what makes him different from the people that have ever promised you to take you somewhere and they have never done so. Maybe they had wanted to do so. Maybe they had wanted, but they are unable because they are human beings. They have limitations. Because they are human beings, they are limitations. Because sometimes they are unable to do what they promised to do. They have limitations. They are limited here and there. There are certain things they can't do. Some limitations are financial. Some other limitations are within their potentials. Their potential. Their power. Maybe it hindered them. Maybe their education. Perhaps the money was there. Perhaps the power was not there. They were men. We don't need in men. There are those who are faithful and those who are not. There are those who are liars and those who speak the truth. But there are some men who are faithful but they don't have money. Maybe the potential they don't have. Some people need to be forgiven. Some you need to forgive. I know these days you're angry because the government promised you have never got it. Now you're provoked. Now you're upset. You're called which kind of government? Which promised food and never they wanted maybe. Perhaps they wanted. But many wanted the food. Many wanted the hope. They don't have the potential because they never prepared for it. They never prepared for it. They don't have the potential. They need to be forgiven. Someone they need to forgive is your husband. Promised your car. Up to now never bought. Some they need to forgive is your parents. Promised to medical abroad. Now they have never. Someone need to be forgive is your tenant. Promised to pay you rent. But now he's in lockdown. He's not paying. He's not paying you. They are men. Ladies and gentlemen, those who broke your heart, they are men. Your pastor promised to do something, never did. Forgive him because he's a man. Men, they always promise and fail. Some are not faithful, others are just not faithful. I want to show you a man who never fails, who never promised and fails. He never comes back. He never becomes poor. He has no debts of the past. He never rise bankrupt. He never becomes poor. He never run by down. He cannot bring excuses. He cannot bring excuses. He cannot tell you we are in a quarantine. Let me around. What I have promised
promised to give you.
Wadde nalina kusuubiza enviiri.
I promised to give you hair money for hair.
Okutwala mu saloon.
Take you in a salon.
Ne kati nkutwaleyo nje. Tuli mu lockdown.
We are in a lockdown.
Sente zaggwawo.
We have no money.
Ku mulimu bansalako.
They cut me from the job.
Ab'emmanja tebansasula. Kati oyagala nkikole nti.
How can I do it?
Abo bantu.
Those are men.
Manyiyo omusajja.
I know one man.
Wenjagala okuzigirira.
I want to show you.
Mutuntulo lwaleero.
This afternoon.
Takwatibwa lockdown.
He's never taken by lockdown.
Takwatibwa quarantine.
He's never ended by the quarantine.
Takwatibwa lockdown.
He's never locked down.
Takwatibwa curfew.
He's never taken by curfew.
Takwatibwa traffic jam.
He's never holding by traffic jam.
Taleeta birango.
He does not come with
Talina mabanja ga banka.
He has no debt.
Talina looni za banka.
He has no loans.
Takwatibwa
He's
miggalo.
not hindered by anything.
Emiggalo tegimukwata.
Lockdown never hindered him.
Alina obusobozi
He has the potential
obukuwa buli kyoyagala.
to give whatever he desires.
Yagambye.
He's saying
abaavu
the poor
n'abatalina kantu.
and those who lack anything.
Nze gwe basobola okukaabira.
It's me they can cry unto.
Nze gwe basobola okukaabira.
It's me they can cry unto.
Ne mbawa amazzi.
And I give them water.
Ne baba bali mu ddungu.
Even in their deserts.
Ne baba nga bali mu ddungu.
Even in their wilderness.
Ne baba nga bali mu kibira.
Even in the forest.
Ne baba nga tewali yadde kasayini k'amazzi.
Even though there is nothing like water.
Nze nnyina obusobozi.
I have the potential.
Omuntu gw'asobola okukaabira.
The man can
Ne mukolera ky'ayagala.
and I do what they
Ne baba
desire.
nga yeetooloddwa ddungu.
Even if they are surrounded by the wilderness.
Eddungu kitegeeza obutasobola.
The wilderness means unpotential.
Eddungu kitegeeza ekifo ewatali.
It means lack.
Eddungu kitegeeza ewantu ewatali ssuubi.
The desert is somewhere where they don't hope.
Naye agamba
But he's saying,
ne baba bali mu ddungu.
even though they are in the
Nga
wilderness,
bankaabiridde.
when they cry unto me,
Nsobola obbawerayo
I
amazzi.
can give them water.
Bw'ayogera Mukama.
That's how he says.
Agambye bw'ati.
He's saying,
This is what he said
Bagamba,
in verse 17.
17.
When the poor
Tiabavu,
and the needy
n'abatalina kantu,
seek for water,
be banoonya amazzi,
and there is none,
so nga tewali.
and there is none. Mark that word, and there is none.
Kitunuulira ekyo nga tewali.
Some people we can only ask them
Abantu tusobola babuuza,
when they have.
tusobola basaba nga balina.
Some people we can only ask them
Tusobola basaba
when they have what we are asking for.
nga balina kye tubasaba.
When you ask them
Bw'obasaba
what they don't have,
kye batalina,
there is not so much they can do for you.
kiwali kye basobola kukolera.
They can do much
Tebasobola kukola
because
bingi
they don't have.
kubanga tebalina.
So that the limitations that I talked about
Kwe kugira okwenjogerako
that catch up with our people,
okusinkana abantu,
the people
abantu
that you are putting your trust in,
botaddemu obwesige,
some of the things you're asking for,
ebimu ku by'obasaba
they don't have them.
tebabirina.
Tebabirina.
They don't have it.
Ebimu by'obasaba
Some of them
tebabirina.
you ask, they don't have.
Kati ate bantu
And they are men.
omuntu asobola gaba ekyo kyokka
A man can only give
ky'ayina
what he has.
ky'atalina
What doesn't have,
tasobola
he
kigaba.
cannot give.
Kyobula bw'oba ogenda omusaba
That's why when you go to ask,
olina kusooka kumagaamaga
you need to look around
okakase
and make sure
oba ddala ky'omusaba
that what you are asking,
akirina.
he has.
Bassebo ne bannyabo,
Ladies and gentlemen,
katonda waffe bw'atyo si bw'ali.
our God is not like that.
Katonda waffe nakati akyatonda.
Even right now he's still creating.
Kimuyisa katonda.
That's why he's called
nakati
God.
akyali mu bizinensi ye
Even now in his business
ey'okutonda.
of creation.
Nekyomusabye bw'aba takirina,
Even though he doesn't have what you
asobola
ask him,
okugenda mu fakitole
he
ye,
can go in his factory
asobola okugenda mu busobozi
He
bwe
can go in his potential
n'akitonda
and create
era
it.
okukkakkana n'okifuna.
and eventually you have
Nolwekyo
it.
ssebo,
Therefore you,
nolwekyo nnyabo,
you my lady,
totya togwa mu maanyi.
don't fear, don't
Katonda taggwamu.
Our God has never
Abantu
come.
be baggwayo.
It's men who bankrupt.
Totyanga musaba kintu.
Never fear to ask anything.
Totyanga musaba kintu.
Never fear to ask
Ne bw'oba
anything.
tolina w'okiraba.
Even though you don't see it.
Ne bw'oba tolina w'okiraba.
Even though it's not visible.
Totyanga kukimusaba.
Never ask.
Kubanga agambye
Because he's saying,
abaavu,
poor,
abaavu
the poor
n'abanaku
and the needy,
bwe nze nga bansabye amazzi
when they are looking for water
naye nga bagasabidde tegaliiwo.
and there is none,
Nze nga bansabye amazzi
when they ask for water,
naye nga bwe bagasabidde tegaliiwo,
but when the water is not there,
nsobola okugatonda.
I can create it.
That is the God we believed on.
Oyo ye Katonda gwe twakkiriza.
He is even able to create.
Asobola n'okutonda.
Oh my goodness, I'll trust this God.
Ono gwe neesiganga.
I will trust this God forever.
Ono gwe nnyanga okwesiga.
That he has even a capacity to create.
Nti alina n'obusobozi obutonda.
Therefore,
N'olwekyo
never, never, never fear.
totyanga,
Never hesitate
tolemesebwanga
to ask him of anything,
okumusaba ekintu kyonna,
even when you don't see it around.
ne bw'oba tokiraba,
He can still create it.
asobola okukitonda.
When you go somewhere
Bw'ogenda kw'ogenze
to ask for a job
ng'osaba mulimu,
and they tell you no vacancy,
ne bagamba tewaliiwo munnange kifo,
tell them thank you.
bagambe eti mwebale nnyo
let me talk to my God
naye kanjogere ne Katonda
who
wange
can even create a job here and give it to me.
asobola okussa wano omulimu ne mugomba.
God can create a job in a company for you
Katonda asobola okutondera ekifo mu kampani
even when that vacancy was not there at all.
newankubadde ekifo ekyo tekibaddeyo.
He did that for Joseph.
Yali akikoleddeko Yusufu.
Joseph in the country of Egypt,
Yusufu mu nsi ey'Emisiri
by the time he was in the prison,
bwe yali mu kkomera
there was no prime minister position in that land.
tewaaliwo katikkiro.
There was no prime minister position
Tewaaliwo katikkiro
in their system of
mu
governance.
nkola yaabwe ey'obufuzi.
There was no.
Temwalimu katikkiro.
When was it introduced?
Kyaleetebwa ddi?
When was it introduced?
Kyateekebwawo ddi
When
kyokatikkiro?
Joseph showed up.
Yusufu bwe yalabika.
When Joseph showed up
Yusufu bwe yalabika
and interpreted Pharaoh's dream,
n'avvuunula ekirooto kya
that
Falaawo.
is when
Awo
Joseph himself
ye
interested Pharaoh.
n'ayagaza
And
Falaawo
after interpreting a dream,
ng'amaze
he
omuvvuunulira
gave him proposals.
n'amuwa ebiteeso.
And the proposals he gave to Pharaoh,
Ebiteeso bye yamuwa
and he told Pharaoh
n'agamba Falaawo
that you can appoint somebody
londayo
who
omuntu
can execute
asobola okukola
that vision
bye
or that proposal.
bye nteesezza.
You know what?
Omanyi
And the Pharaoh's mind woke up,
endowooza ye
and
neezuukuka
Pharaoh realized
n'azuula
there was a need
tewaliwo
to
bwetaavu
create that position
okutondawo katikkiro
for somebody who
wabeerewo
can go
anaasobola
and execute
atuukirize
that vision. And
by'agambye.
that was the time
kyekiseera ekyo
Joseph was appointed
Yusufu
to
n'alondebwa
become prime minister,
n'afuka
and he
katikkiro
had a job.
n'afuna omulimu.
Our God,
Katonda waffe
our God,
ng'ambye Katonda
when
waffe
you go with him somewhere,
bw'oba kugenda naye wano
he can create a job for you
ogenda naye awantu asobola
and a
okutonderayo omulimu
position for you,
n'akuterayo n'ekifo
even when
ne bwe
it
kibanga
had never been there.
kibadde tekiriiwo.
Now he's saying
Kati agamba
that when you ask me for water,
bwe munansaba amazzi
when you ask me for water,
bwe munsaba amazzi
and that water is not there,
nga tegaliiwo
I have capacity.
erina obusobozi
Even when you are in a desert,
ne bubeera mu
I
ddungu
can create that water there.
gatondayo.
That's the difference between our God
Yenjawulo wakati wa Katonda
and the
waffe
people,
n'abantu
especially those people
naddala abantu
in
abo
whom you had put your trust.
be wali weesize.
Those people
Abo
who
abantu
broke your heart.
abaamenya
Those
omutima gwo.
people
Abo
who
abantu
promised you things
abakusuubiza.
and they never delivered them.
Tebatuukiriza.
Those people
abantu abo
in whom you had put trust.
bwe wali oteeseze.
God has said,
Katonda agambye
when the poor,
nti abaavu abaavu
and the needy
n'abatalina kintu
seek water,
be banoonya
and
amazzi
there is none,
so nga tewali
and their tongue fails the thirst.
olulimi lwabwe ne lulakasira.
I, the Lord,
Nze Mukama nze Mukama
will hear them,
ndibaddamu.
and I, the God of Israel,
Nze Katonda wa Isirayiri
will not forsake them.
siribaleka.
First of all, he says,
Agambye
I will hear their prayer.
n'awulira essaala zaabwe
I will hear their request.
ndibaddamu
I
essaala
will not
zaabwe
run away.
siribadduka.